Hi! Today, let's read this book, A Butterfly in the Rain. Now please read the keywords after me. Butterfly, butterfly, nectar, nectar, bird, bird, wing, wing, umbrella, umbrella, leaf, leaf. Now let's read the story A Butterfly in the Rain. A butterfly can fly from flower to flower on a sunny day. A butterfly flies to find its food. A butterfly's food is called nectar. Nectar is a sweet syrup that a butterfly gets from flowers. A butterfly also flies to get away from danger. A hungry bird may eat it. But a butterfly can't fly in the rain. It can't flap its wings if they get wet. A butterfly can get out of the rain. It hides under a big leaf. The leaf is like an umbrella. It keeps the butterfly's wings dry. The butterfly waits under the leaf. It waits as the rain falls. It waits until the sun comes out. Then the butterfly holds out its wings, and they dry in the sun. Now, the butterfly can fly again.